How to calculate average in Google Spreadsheet. First, I will position myself below numbers I want to calculate. So click on that cell, head to Insert and search for functions. So there's a function tab where you can select popular function, or you can even dig deeper in many categories. But the average is at the very top. It's very often used, so click average. And now you can use your mouse to select the range. So I click on the top and select the range, still holding my mouse, highlight the range, and then just hit enter or return, and we are done. You can do all of that without using the insert tab as well. So if you just simply position yourself on this cell, start typing equals average and then B2 to B6. That's my range. Then confirm, and that's my average number. So there are two main ways. One is to use the insert tab when you can insert different functions. Or if you remember the function, you can just type it from your keyboard. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next video.